Good morning and welcome to another product review. So for today's video is i-review ko yung mga cushion foundations na na-try ko and why I chose this one particular cushion foundation, why I didn't review those cushion foundations, and why this is the perfect time to review a cushion foundation. So let's get started. So for your information, the cushion foundations na na-tried ko before this O2O na i-review ko ngayon is yung Sassy Lady, Jimilan, and Skintific cushion foundation. So trust me, don't get me wrong, but those cushion foundations are really super nice. Like, they are doing its job talaga to cover your imperfections, yung mga acne scars nyo, pimple scars. Yes, high coverage talaga siya. So, super nice. And the price is okay lang siya. Affordable, 300, 400, 600 pesos. Affordable, hindi ko sure. But super mahal niya, and I kind of regret it because hindi siya nag-work sa akin, yung tatlong cushion foundation na yun. Kasi nga, it's so heavy for my face. And, like, parang yung cushion foundation na yun is like, ganda now, breakout laters. Ganun yung effect niya. Malala talaga for a hormonal acne girly like me. Napaka-importante for me to choose cosmetics na hindi lang niha-hide yung imperfections ko, but it will also take care of my skin right after washing it off. And those cushion foundations na na-try ko, after washing them is, ang tagal niya ma-wash off. Like, I need to wash it like several times, and yun, magdadry na yung face ko, and dryness, acne, breakout. So, ganun. Hindi ko siya na-review kasi hindi ko talaga siya gusto, and my skin doesn't like it talaga. So, only itong cushion foundation ng O2O yung nagustuhan ko. Kasi, right after using it is super light sa skin ko. Like, parang ka-skin color ko lang siya. And this is pink white. Perfect for my shade. Hindi siya nag-oxidize. Super affordable niya. Super gusto ko siya. Kaya napapili talaga ako. Napabili ulit ako ng dalawang cushion foundations with the same shade, pink white. Kasi nga super gusto ko siya. Unlike those other three cushion foundations na na-try ko. So, let's start. I'm gonna show you this cushion foundation ng O2O. Napakaganda niya. As in, yung after washing it off, ang bilis lang niyang i-wash off. Plus, pag nag-wash off na siya, is parang ang glossy ng skin ko. Hindi siya heavy sa face. Yung coverage nito is sheer coverage siya. So, meaning, magiging natural lang siya sa skin mo. And it doesn't feel very heavy. So let's try it here. Look. Hindi siya makaka-cover talaga, but I like it because I don't want all my imperfections to be covered. And the more you pat this one is the more na magsasettle yung product. So let me show you like this one muna. So, yeah, this is half of my face. So, ito yung nilagyan ko dito, and ito naman yung wala pa. You can see, parang ang lapit lang ng color niya sa skin ko. And I like the shading kasi parang malapit lang siya sa skin color ko. And meron na din siyang SPF 30 PA+++, but kailangan nyo pa rin mag-apply ng sunscreen if ever lalabas kayo for double protection. So, yeah, let me finish my face. So, there you have it. Ito na yung full makeup ko. So, look. Hindi naman ako masyadong maputi, but the shade match is so good. And, again, sheer coverage siya. So, it's medium to light to medium lang yung coverage niya. So, makikita nyo pa rin yung mga skin ko. Kasi nga, it's light lang siya, hindi siya heavy. Dito pa rin yung mga imperfections ko. But, that's my goal. Because I don't want it to be so heavy. And I still want my skin na klaro siya. So, this is O2O product. And right after washing this one, kahit stay ko siya ng like 12 hours on my face, hindi talaga ako nagbe-breakout talaga. Compared nung mga other cushions na na-try ko. That's why I really love this cushion foundation. So if you have very sensitive skin, acne, hormonal girlies like me, maybe you should try this O2O cushion foundation. And yeah, it's really hides your imperfection. Not only na mapapaganda niya ikaw, but also it has concern. So may care siya sa skin mo. So always choose a product that would take care of you. right after using it. So, yes, I hope you guys should try this cushion foundations, and yun lang. Ang ganda ko today. Bye! See you next time, and thank you to